Hi mga ka-songbird! Welcome to another session of CD unboxing of Regine Velasquez CD. So as a recap, last time we did a vlog about unboxing of Regine Velasquez CD My Love Emotion that was printed, pressed, and released in South Korea. So this time it's a continuation of the last time's unboxing, and this time it's a CD that was printed and pressed still in South Korea, but this time we're going to discuss or talk about the retro South Korea release. So this is it. So, one thing that I noticed with my last vlog about unboxing is, ang dami kong sinasabi, ang haba tuloy ng video. So, this time, let's try to focus on CD unboxing and then segue tayo ng konti sa mga ano-anong mga drama sa buhay ni Bakla at of course, some tips and FYIs kung may time. Let's try to make it short as opposed to mga previous vlogs ko na medyo mahaba siya, maabot ng 17 minutes just to unbox. So this time, let's shorten it, but straight and direct to the point. Okay, so what we have here is a CD Retro, Regine Retro. So previously, I told you na yung My Love Emotion South Korean press niya is promotional CD din siya, though there's no valid or confirmed information na promotional CD din siya yung last time na vlog ko. This time, ito talaga, sa lahat na nakita kong version nito sa South Korea, meron talaga siya laging ganito. Top, polygram, promotional, not for sale, polygram. May tag siya na ganito. And if I'm not mistaken, I saw as well a CD of My Love Emotion South Korea Press na may ganito din. I just don't know what happened to that CD that I showed last time. Bakit nawala? Maybe pinalitan na nila yung jewel box nun or jewel case. So that's the reason why wala na siyang ano. But this one, it's also South Korean pressed. And let's find out how this is different from any other releases of retro CD all across Southeast Asia and the Philippines. So this is the front view of the CD. Let's open it. Okay, medyo meron na siyang crack. Meron pang ano ni Inang, oh. Meron pang autograph. I just don't know what's the name. Hindi ko mabasa kung anong pangalan nung dinedicate ni kung kanino dinedicate ni Inang Songbird yung autograph niya. I just don't know kung sino to. Ang naintindihan ko lang is Du and Val, and then the rest ko na naintindihan. Pero I can confirm na yung ano niya, yung anong tawag dito, yung signature niya, siya talaga yon. Ito oh, ano talaga siya, ano talaga yan ni Inang, yung letter R niya. Parehas na parehas sa drawn CD, yung letter R niya. Okay. And again, ang ganda talaga lagi ng quality ng covers ng Southeast Asian release. Even this South Korean release ng cover, overleaf, or kung ano man tawag nila dito. Ang kapal niya. Yung Philippine release, manipis at glossy. Super glossy yun. Ito may medyo semi-matte to the touch. Or partially glossy siya. Yet, tingnan mo, ang ganda talaga ng printing niya. Sobrang clear ng pagka-print niya. Hindi siya fuzzy. Hindi din siya shadowy. Wala siyang, alam mo yung, makikita nyo yung difference. Next time, I'm going to show you the difference. The pictures are so clear. Again, high contrast. It's not colored because, syempre, retro nga. Pero sa colored niya, tingnan mo, ang sobrang tingkad. Mataas, hindi naman ganun katingkad, pero ang taas ng contrast niya. And then, the color is true to life. Yan, yung black na as in pure black siya. Pero yung Philippine release na ako, ewan ko ba, ba't ang tsupipay ng mga press sa atin. Parang halatang tinitipid yung material. There. Okay. Nothing is different. Still the same. It's just that the printing quality is totally different. This is super high quality. Okay, the lyric sheet. I think this is still the same. Parang the same lang naman siya. That's it. The only difference with this cover over the Philippine release or any other release, of course, again, the Korean serial numbers, DP 1873, then the standard international serial coding ni Polygram. There. This is the CD. The typical brown CD. Wait, pasok ko lang yung cover. Medyo mahirap siya pasukin kasi ang kapal kasi niya eh. Kaya hindi siya masyado napapasok. So this is the CD. On my eyes, it's muted brown or typically brown siya. Pero dito sa phone, parang bright brown siya tingnan. Pero parang kita mo, kasi siguro standard naman yung color, ano nito, ewan ko ba dito sa iPhone na to. Pero in personal, ano siya, muted brown or yung classic brown. But the difference is, yung CD na to may nakalagay, not for sale, promotional. With serial numbers, Korean, for Korean market, or for Korean released. Let's find out what's beneath. The same, so walang pinagkaiba. The same lang din siya. At the back, it's the same. Nothing is different except dito sa part na to. Merong Korean hangul. There. And it says they're released by Polygram Limited, manufactured by Songyum Limited, distributed by Songyum Media Limited, registered number 3, the Ministry of Culture, printed in Korea. So that's why I'm confident to say na this CD is really printed and pressed in Korea because it says so. The spine, that's the spine, closely same. It's the same with My Love Emotion, ganun din yung mga sa spine printing niya, yung font is the same. So, yeah, that's it. Barely no difference except for some letterings, some additional information about the printing, the pressing. There, that's the only difference. Nothing much, but it's the quality. That's the huge difference. The quality of printing, the material used, and the ink. Kasi ang tagal na nito. This is 1996. Tingnan mo, walang bahid ng molds or discoloration. Pero yung Philippine release, ay nako, I can show you in the next vlog session how it is different. Yung Philippine release, ewan ko. Or baka siguro yung nagmay-ari nito talagang sobrang niyang inalagaan din siguro. Pero iba talaga, iba yung materials na gamit dito. Prologue. Ang dami niyang underrated na mga kanta dito. Isa sa mga favorite ko na kanta dito, yung Zoom. I Just Don't Wanna Be Lonely. Ang ganda ng pagkakanta niya ng Looking Through the Eyes of Love. Napaka underrated niya sana. Ewan ko kasi siguro yung mga singles na pina-put forward for radio station plays or airplays dati, yung pinili ng Polygram din siguro kasi parang retro nga, so parang they're trying to brand Regine as, dance or more than, alam mo yung parang mga releases na pinapaano dati is ito, like hot stuff. Shake Your Groove thing, yung mga ganun, diba? Although, yung iba naman, naging popular naman siya, pero ang dami ditong hindi naging ganun ka-popular. Sayang sana yun yung pinut forward. Ang ganda din itong Nothing Left For Me. Ang ganda din ito actually. Gotta let you go, 'cause you made up your mind. Since there, nothing left for me to do, nothing left for me to say. Ang ganda ng pagkakanta ng Looking Through the Eyes of Love. Ewan ko ba? Ang ano ng boses niya, ang bright, ear piercing. Ramdam mo talaga yung emotions ng Looking Through the Eyes of Love niya. Zoom, favorite ka din siya. Yung I Want to Know What Love Is niya, medyo sakto lang. I Just Don't Wanna Be Lonely. Yung prologue and epilogue niya, ang ganda din ng a cappella intro and outro niya, no? Ito lagi yung tinatry kong i-imitate, yung prologue niya, kasi napaka-pristine ng boses niya, pero hindi ko talaga siya ma-imitate. In restless dreams I walk alone, the narrow street of cobblestone, neath the halo of dying street lamp. Kamali pa lyrics ko. I turn my collar to the cold and damp. Tama na nga bakla. Filinggera ka, char. Epilogue. There. So that's it. So that's the Regine Velasquez South Korean Press Retro. Thank you so much for watching, and up next on our next vlog, please watch out what's the next CD. Bye!